you looking for accommodation from, sir?
Yes, I'm looking for an accommodation at your place. When I was checking it on Google, it's the best. I saw it. So, can you give me just a room for 3 consecutive days?
I can do that, but for when, sir? From tomorrow, the next day?
No, from Friday to Sunday, Monday morning.
From Monday morning. Okay, so is it now from tomorrow? From tomorrow, because tomorrow is Monday.
No, from Friday, next
To
Friday.
Monday.
Yes.
Okay, not a problem. So what I'll do for you is I'll get my reservations team to contact you with regards to a good rate in the morning, and then they can make you those reservations, and then they can send you the billing details through to the company. Would that be in order?
No, it's okay. But can you just estimate for me, man, how much your best room per day?
That's the thing, sir. It depends, because we've got a lot of different room categories. So it depends on all what you are looking for. For example, our presidential is the best room we've got, but that is going at 80,000 Rand a night. And then you also get our ocean facing suites or deluxe sea facing suite, and those are dependent on the package that you would select. And also you can select the package where you might get, for example, a massage included, or maybe a curry buffet or a dinner or something as such. So that is why I'm saying I think it would be good for me to get my reservations department to give you a shout in the morning, and then they could give you a couple of packages with regards to those nice rooms that you would like, sir.
Oh, yeah, but you said something at first. You said the first one is how much? The presidential one?
The presidential is going for about 80,000 per night, sir.
Okay. That's the one I want.
That's the one, okay? Not a problem. Can I then get my reservations department to phone you tomorrow and then go over everything that you would be getting when you do take the presidential, because you will get a lot of other inclusions also with it.
Oh, okay, no, I'll wait for your team to call me in the morning, man.
100%, and I'll get them, and I'll specify for them which room you are also interested. So by the time they do phone you, sir, they'll have all the information for you as well.
Okay. No, I get it.
Okay.
Thanks,
thanks so much, Mr. Koza. Have a lovely evening, sir.
Thanks, man.